Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. I am doing a quickie intro for this video. This is going to be my May Sip Spy unboxing. If you're not familiar with Sip Spy, I am very familiar with Sip Spy. I've been working with them for the past, I think 7 or 8 months now. I don't get paid by them. I'm not sponsored by them. I just receive their tea box. But Sip Spy is a monthly subscription tea discovery box. It is $15 per month, free shipping in the United States. Sip Spy works with over 150 global tea brands to bring teas to you that are different and unique. And right now, with everything that's going on in the world, I don't like to spend a lot of time in the grocery store, so I really like the fact that Sip Spy is picking up my teas for me. Sip Spy is, I think, a really great subscription for people that like variety, don't want to drink the same tea over and over again, don't want to pay for a full box maybe of the same tea. I really like that there's always a variety of teas in their subscription box. They're always introducing me to new and unique teas that I've never tried before, and I've enjoyed this subscription more than any other subscription I receive. So without further ado, let me take you to my May Sip Spy tea unboxing. The teas are mailed to you in this nice compact cardboard box, and when you open it up, there is always an informational card right on the top of the teas. This is my monthly subscription box, and this is the May box. I have my May card, and when you flip the card over, it tells you exactly all the information for the teas that are included in the box. So for May, I have a citrus spice herbal tea from Revolution Tea. It also tells you how to steep the tea, the ingredients, and a lot of times it offers you discounts in case you really love the tea and want to purchase it yourself. I have Nepali Breakfast Tea by Nepal Tea. That is my high caffeine tea. I requested a mixture of different levels of caffeine in my teas, and Sip Spy always makes sure I get a variety. I have some English breakfast tea from Ahmad Tea. Ahmad Tea really is a great company. They have so many wonderful teas. My husband loves all of their teas. And I have some coconut cocoa tea from the Republic of Tea. So let's open the rest of the box and see what else is inside. Because I have some loose teas in the box, Sip Spy always includes some reusable muslin tea bags. That way, if you don't have anything to steep the tea in, they include those tea bags for your convenience. Ooh, I got lots of goodies in this box. The coconut cocoa tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. That already smells so good. I can smell it right through the bag. The English breakfast tea by Ahmad Tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The citrus spice herbal tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. And the Nepal tea, that is my loose tea. I have a packet of that, and I'm sure there are several servings of tea in that. That is my May Sip Spy tea box, and I think, oh boy, this is tough. I think I am going to pick the coconut cocoa by the Republic of Tea. I am always tempted when a tea has the word cocoa in it and also coconut. So I am going to steep this right now. I hope you enjoy seeing these Sip Spy tea unboxings as much as I enjoy receiving them. I really love this subscription. The people in Sip Spy are great. They are out of Austin, Texas, and they always make sure that the teas in your box are custom tailored to your liking. You take an in-depth quiz that really lets them know what teas you're really interested in receiving. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.